From the moment we wake up to the moment we fall asleep, we get in contact with plastic countless times every single day. We depend and are literally drowning in plastic. Materials used in plastic production are, for example, vinyl acetate or vinyl chloride, which are extracted from petroleum or natural gas. The sad fact is that only 9% of plastic is being recycled worldwide. 8 million tons of plastic is thrown in the ocean each year. The most famous plastic island is called the Great Pacific Garbage Patch and was created in late 90s. It is located between California and Hawaii, but is only one of lots of other islands. Nowadays, island size is compared to 4 big European states, what is around 1.6 million square kilometers, and there is 5.3 trillion pieces of plastic. Plastic is not biodegradable. By time, it only breaks down into smaller pieces similar to plankton, so animals think that it is safer than to eat it. It makes them feel full, but reality is that millions of terrestrial and aquatic animals die each year because of starvation. Hundreds to thousands of plastic pieces are filling up their stomachs, so it is impossible to digest it. Around 8.3 billion of plastic straws are polluting oceans. Animals often inhale these straws and thousands of them choke up. Thousands of species have extinct already. Also, fish, nowadays considered to be one of the most toxic food in the world, have microplastics in their bodies as well, which us people eat. People who like seafood consume about 20,000 pieces of plastic each year. Residents from countries across Europe participated in scientific research, after which was found that each participant had plastic in his body. It is proven that we consume so much plastic each week that it represents one credit card. Plastic was found in tea bags as well, or even in bubble gums. In its rubber bases is present polyethylene, which is used in production of plastic bottles and bags, and also polyisobutylene, used in tire production. From plastics such as nylon or polyester is made more than half of the world's clothing. By each clothes washing, thousands to millions microfibers smaller than 5 millimeters are being released into water, polluting it. Even a sewage treatment plant cannot remove the microfibers from the water most of the times. Plastic literally grows into the soil, from which we eat the food that grows there. There is almost every single thing covered in plastic in the grocery stores, and if not, we take the plastic bag and cover it ourselves. The average time of using one plastic bag is 12 minutes, but after we throw it out, it is going to be here for at least next 1,000 years and will always be present in some sort of form. Tobacco products are the second most polluting disposable product right after plastic because cigarette filters contain plastic. One cigarette butt can pollute 500 to 1,000 liters of water. Butt thrown on the ground takes up to 12 years to break up. It also becomes food for lots of animals. If we won't start doing something about it, in 2050, figured plastic production will triple, what is almost 1 billion tons of plastic each year. And also in the ocean will be more plastic than fish. 99% of plastic causes climate changes. There's 5 million cubic miles of frozen water. Due to climate change, icebergs are melting 3 times faster as before in Antarctica, and more than 95% of the eldest and the thickest ice is melted in Antarctica. If we won't change our behaviors, by 2030, climate change will be unstoppable. Not only do animals have less and less place for living, but so do we. The sea level rises uncontrollably, and by 2050, Venice, Seychelles, or Maldives will be gone. Now, imagine what would happen if all of the ice melted. Refusing plastic bags or straws, replacing them for sustainable ones, taking your own bottle, cutlery, or bag. You can make such a big change in your everyday routines. Let's realize that we do need this planet for living, but the earth does not need us. So let's start taking care of her. We are the last generation that can stop this disaster.